In this video, we are going to solve some problems in multiplication. If a is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 3 and b is equal to 2, 1, 1, 1, find ab and ba. Now we have to multiply A matrix with B matrix. The A matrix first row will be multiplied with the B matrix first column. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 will get 2 plus 2. Next, we have to multiply the first row of A matrix with second column of B matrix. Here we have to multiply the corresponding elements. 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 1, 2. 1 plus 2. Next, we have to multiply the second row of A matrix with the first column of B matrix. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 3 into 1, 3. Next, we have to multiply the second row of the A matrix with the second column of B matrix. That is minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 3 into 1 is 3. That is minus 1 plus 3. Now we'll get this matrix. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. That is 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Next, like this, we have to multiply the B matrix with A matrix. The same process. First row of the B matrix will be multiplied with the first column of the A matrix. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus into minus 1 is minus 1 only. 2 minus 1. Next, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 3 is 3. 4 plus 3. Next, we have to multiply the second row of the B matrix with the first column of A matrix. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 1. Next, we have to multiply the second row of B matrix with the second column of A matrix. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 3 is 3. Finally, we'll get the BA matrix, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 2 plus 3 is 5. Here we can also prove that AB is not equal to BA, because AB matrix is 4, 3, 1, 2 and BA matrix is 1, 7, 0, 5. It means AB is not equal to BA. It is not commutative. Let me take another example. If A is equal to 3, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. This is 2 into 3 matrix, and B is equal to 1, minus 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. Find AB. Now we have to find out AB. See here, we have to multiply the first row with the first column. 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3. That is 3 plus 2 plus 6. Next, first row with second column. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 3 plus 1 plus 2. Next we have to multiply the second row with first column. 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 2, 0, 1 into 3, 3. Next second row with second column. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Finally, we'll get the product of A into B, that is AB matrix. 11, 3 plus 2 plus 6 is 11, minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 in the sense minus 3 plus 3, that is 0, 1 plus 0 plus 3 is 4, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, will get 0. Now we'll take the example of 3 into 3 matrix to find out the product of AB. In this example, if A is equal to this matrix and B is equal to this matrix, we have to find out A into B. In this 3 into 3 order matrices, we have to multiply A matrix with B matrix. As I explained, we have to multiply the first row with the first column. We'll get, if we multiply the corresponding element, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 1 into 6, we have to write plus in between, minus 1 plus 1 into 6 is 6, minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5. Likewise, we have to multiply the first row with first column, first row with second column, first row with third column. We'll get this 3 value. Next, we have to multiply the second row with first column, second row with second column, second row with third column. We'll get these values. Next, we have to multiply the third row with first column, third row with second column, third row with third column. We'll get these values. When we simplify this matrix, we'll get minus 1 plus 6 minus 5 is 0, minus 2 plus 12 minus 10 is equal to 0, minus 1 plus 6 minus 15 is minus 10, minus 2 minus 18 plus 20, 0, minus 4 minus 36 plus 40, 0, minus 2 minus 18 plus 60 is 40, minus 3 minus 12 plus 15, that is 0, minus 6 minus 24 plus 30, that is 0, minus 3 minus 12 plus 45, that is 35. By using calci, you can easily find out this matrix. Next, we should know what is transpose of a matrix. Here, the transpose of a matrix, in the sense, if you have the matrix A, the order of this matrix is 2 into 3. Here, the A matrix is 2, 4, 7, 5, 3, 1. What is transpose of a matrix? When we convert the row into column or column into row, is called as transpose of a matrix. When we transpose this A matrix, we'll get AT. The transpose of A matrix is denoted as A to the power T or A dash. AT matrix will be 3 into 2. Here the dimension or the order of A matrix is 2 into 3. When we transpose the matrix, we'll get the reverse order, that is 3 into 2. If you have 2 rows here, we'll get 2 columns in the transpose matrix. If you have 3 columns in the A matrix, we'll get 3 rows in the transpose matrix. 2, 4, 7. The first row will be written as the first column. The second row will be written as the second column. Next, we have another example. If A is equal to 4, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 7, 1, and B is equal to 2, 3, minus 3, 0, minus 1, 5. Find AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Here we are going to prove that when we multiply AB matrix and when we transpose it, it will be equal to B transpose into A transpose. Here the first step 1, we have to transpose the A matrix and the B matrix. As you know the meaning of transpose, we have to convert the row into column. Here the A matrix will be transposed. First row 4, here we have first row 4, 2, minus 1. It will be written in column. 3, minus 7, 1. It will be written in column. Likewise, we have to transpose the B matrix. Next, we have to find out the product. First row will be multiplied with the first column of B matrix. That is 4 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3 plus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. We'll get 8 minus 6 plus 1. Next, the same first row will be multiplied with the second column of the B matrix. We'll get 4 into 3 plus 2 into 0, that is 0, plus minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. We'll get 12 plus 0 minus 5. Next, second row of the A matrix will be multiplied with the first column of the B matrix. 3 into 2, that is 6, plus minus 7 into minus 3 is plus 21. We'll write plus 21, and 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. We'll get this 6 plus 21 minus 1. Next, the second row will be multiplied with the second column of the B matrix. 3 into 3, 9, plus minus 7 into 0 is 0. We'll write 0. 1 into 5 is 5. We'll get this 9 plus 0 plus 5. When we simplify this matrix, we'll get 8 minus 6 plus 1 is 3. 12 plus 0 minus 5 is 7. 6 plus 21 minus 1 is 26. 9 plus 0 plus 5 is 14. Now we have completed AB. When we transpose this AB matrix, the AB matrix is 3, 7, 26, 14. When we transpose it, we'll get AB transpose, that is first row will be converted as first column in the transpose matrix. 3, 7 will be written in column 3, 7, and 26 and 14 written in the second column, that is 26, 14. When we transpose it, row will be converted into column or column will be converted into row. Next, in part B, we have to transpose the A matrix and B matrix, and we have to multiply the B transpose matrix with A transpose matrix. Here the B transpose matrix, here we have to transpose this B transpose matrix will be multiplied with the A transpose matrix. This is A transpose matrix. Same, if you follow the same procedure, you'll get the answer. The answer is 3, 26, 7, 14. See, in this problem, when we find out the product of AB and when we transpose the AB matrix, we'll get 3, 26, 7 and 14. And if we find out the product of B transpose and A transpose, we'll get the matrix, that is 3, 26, 7, 14. It means, or therefore, AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose.